The sea and the sand provide a perfect setting and create an aura around the car we are trying to tell you all about. Well, yes, this is the Hyundai Aura. It is the company's subcompact sedan, replaces the Xcent in the company's lineup. And well, while some of you might already think that up front it looks like the Nios, there are a few changes that Hyundai India has made. So let's kickstart with that. Right up front you have this nice glossy looking front grille. Then there are these swept back LED lamps that you get, headlamps of course, the projector fog lamps too on offer. Now the big change that you see here is of course the LED DRLs. Now we've seen these boomerang shaped LED DRLs even on the Nios, but here you get twin LED DRLs on the Aura, and of course that's the biggest differentiator when it comes to the Aura and the Grand i10 Nios. But let's get to the side and get to know a little more about the car. Now you might think that Hyundai is playing it safe, especially when it comes to the rear design, but it hasn't. You know, all the new cars from Hyundai that you've seen, right from the Sonata to even the Verna that we see now, everyone will get this nice connected bit, and the Aura is the first car in India to get that. So nice C-shaped LED tail lamps and that nice chrome connection between both of them. Well, it adds to a bit of the design of course, but still it's different. I mean, I'm not really sure if I like it yet. Do let us know in the comment section if you do. But this is the first car that gets that nice chrome connection and of course the big Aura badge, which now we've seen in each of the company's model. Now the big difference here in terms of design is this bumper at the rear, and of course you get a lot of features too in the car. But overall it's compact. Of course it's subcompact, but it's compact and pretty good looking too. But we'll have to wait and see what it looks from the inside, because all the black taping that you see from the outside, we cannot see the interiors today, but you will get to see it very soon when it's launched in January 2020.